All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Second period here, 20 minutes back on the board. Team's ready to go here. Well, they were ready to go. So 139 still on the power play here. Puck gets dumped down. Levac's going to go hard for it here. He's got it here. Comeau's going to come around. He's going to take that. No, he doesn't. Comes up to Radley.
Nice.
Radley. Got to step over that line, eh? Got to step over that line.
Momentary brain fart. All good.
Little brain fart. Nothing wrong with that. Good breakout, though. Hey, good breakout.
It was a clean breakout.
Yeah, good breakout. All right, here we go. 122 left in that Blizzard penalty here. Second period. Puck gets dumped in. Levac's going to go. Nope, Levac's got it. He chips it out. No, we're just watching here. We're just watching. Lots of forcing by this Blizzard team here. We got our two other wingers up high there, so they know they could force us. Comeau goes rink wide. Radley's going to take that in. He's going to stay quiet. Nope. Gets it in.
Oh, jeez.
No. Shot. Levac's got that up the middle. No, can't do it. Yeah. Rolling. Levac to Rolling. Rolling gets knocked off the puck there, gets sent down the ice. All right, Ziegler. Puck gets brought in there. Robidoux gets taken off the puck. Neufeld, all even up. Buchert takes Roland off the puck there. He's still got it though, Roland. Great play on the side of the board. He's going to come up wide, shot. Menard with a save there. Reimer goes rink wide. Tries to get it in. Ziegler's got it here. No. Linesman waves it off and then calls it offside. So that's okay. That's no problems there. We're okay. Gonna go get a full change here. Coulomb Emery on the ice there. Oh, almost there. Menard almost lets that go through there. Neufeld. We got icing again. We're having trouble finding that red line there, Tim, today. We're having trouble finding that red line. I think we're going to go with a new puck here. 17:26 left in the second period. 2-1. Blizzard still leading here. Here we go. Neufeld almost. Good hit by Fairzy there. 2-on-1 though. Buchert shot. Great save by Baldwin there. Coulomb just going to give away there. That's no good. Puck doesn't get out. Yeah, it does. Lots of reaching here.
Geez,
Lots of reaching. It's okay. Settle it down. Tip. Baldwin didn't see that one. Zubov. Puck gets dumped down. We got icing here. Yeah, icing on the play. No change. Want to change, but you can't change. Okay, 16:31 left in the second period. Coach Des here trying to get the troops going here. Ruir, no, nobody. No, we need somebody to get the puck. There we go. A little bit of pushing and shoving here. Yeah, there we go. Full change, full change. Change the whole kit and caboodle here. Everybody's going to change here. I like it. I like it. Good whistle for us there. All right. Down to 2 lines. I think here we're going 2 lines. Maybe steals a couple of D here. Oh, great save by Baldwin. Baldwin saves that. I don't think you saw that one, Timbo. Don't think you saw it. Here, Vermette. Vermette against Unger here, 1-on-1. Cuts to the middle, shot! Off the post, off the post. Roland gets knocked off. 2-on-1, Thiessen. Shot. Buchert, captain of the Blizzard there. He's going to Roland. Roland's going to try to get by him. He can't. No, he does. Oh, almost a steal there. Almost a steal. Schrader on Ginter. Ginter's going to hit him there. Tries. Schrader still got it here. He throws it up. Great play by Vermette. Vermette picks that off. Back to Roland. Roland back to Vermette. Nope. Can't go. Great play by Ryan there. Ryan Neufeld. Keep that in. Puck gets thrown up. Back. Ziegler. And with this low roof here, it stoppage of play here. All right. 14:43 left in the second period. Still 2-1 Blizzard. Neufeld. All right. Camo's going to come in. Dell, yeah. Good hit by Camo there. Lavac's got this. He goes. Bank shot. Camo's going to go get this. He's going to go to Ziegler. Ziegler can't handle that one. In front, Lavac's got it now. Shot. There it is! Still there. No!
Oh my word.
Oh my goodness. That stood right on the line. That stayed on the line. Walking the line. All right. Menard a little shaky. I like that. That's good. Rolling. Ruia trying hard there. Oh. Rolling good. Rolling okay. Robert working hard. All right, good play. Nothing wrong there. He's gonna slide. No. Here he goes, Roland. Roland's gonna take off here. Thiessen comes back. Neck guard for Thiessen. No neck guard. Neck guard drops. He's going to change. We're going to keep that in. Yeah, we do. Rabidou throws into Roland. To Ruir.
Who's there? Oh.
Can't keep it in. Coulomb does. Everything's good here. Rink wide. We got icing on the plate. Yeah. Let's get a changement. Changement, get some fresh bodies out there. All right. Neufeld, Vermette, Fairzy, Ginter, Radley out here for the Jets. Neufeld loses that one. Yeah, but he's hard on the puck. Unger to Buchert. Ooh. Peter's still there. That's no good. That's no good. You got to keep those feet moving. Neufeld's going to take off here. He's going to zoom into the middle. Shot wide though. Ginter does. No, he doesn't keep it in. All right. It's okay. Giving Mr. Taves a hard time there on the line. Maybe he can back off there and give her a player a bit of breathing room. That's okay. Timbo, what do you think here? 12:30 left.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay. It's no problem. Jowett. Good play by Robidoux. Keep that in. Shot. A double banger there. Double dip. Radley working hard. Roland does pick that up. Emerson. Couple of slashes. Radley can't handle that. Jowett's gonna get by him. Jowett, yeah, handled easily there by Baldwin, Mr. B. All right. Ruia, Fairzy, Neufeld, they come out. Levac, Ziegler, the Z-Man. Right, 11:43 here. 11:43 left in this second period. Got a hockey game here. Got a hockey game happening. Thiessen from the point.
Oh, wow.
Off Levac goes outside wide. Don't think Levac wants to block that one. He's trying to get out of the way there. All right, here we go. Fairzy going to work here. They dump it in. Neufeld's going to go. They're going to be a dump. Going to get to work. Fairzy going to go on Fontaine. He hits Fontaine. Nothing happens there. Reimer. He dumps it in. Good play here. Ruiz got to throw it. Good play. Everything's on side here. Fairzy. Levac's going to keep it in. Little flicker, good play. Up to Neufeld. Neufeld all alone. Nope. He gets stopped. Ziegler comes in, takes the shot. Back to Neufeld. Neufeld's got it. Fontaine hits him. Yeah, we're going to go on the PP. Fontaine, interference. Here we go. La Fontaine. He's going to go sit for two. Puck was there though, Tim. It wasn't interference, but that's okay. We're going to take that one. All right, Fontaine's going to go. He doesn't know why, but let's Fontaine. I saw it. It wasn't a penalty, but we'll take it. That's why Fontaine's a little confused here. All right, here we go. All right, Robidoux.
Who's on that?
Nobody on the wall there. Dallas' spot.
No bueno. Nobody with them.
No bueno. Stays in. Puck stays in. That's good. No bueno. The chips are not falling where they should lay. Here we go. Roland takes things in his own hands here. Has he got it? Hey, it's in! It's in! We got a goal! No goal. No goal. Goalie made the save. Menard makes the save. You gotta try, eh? You gotta try. You gotta try. You gotta try. All right. Format here. 10:02 left. Como. Bounces over Como's Roland stick there. Roland. No, he can't go. Levac keeps that in. There we go. Gotta settle down. Levac's gotta go to the middle here. Throws it across. No, that's not the play. That's not the play.
Would have been better to just throw a softie at the net and hope for a rebound.
I think so. Oh, Levac chip. That's not the play either. All right, Tim. Our boys there. I don't know. That's okay. That's okay. We're gonna. We need some help here. We need some help. We need some help. That's what happens. You got 1D out there. That's okay. Levac. He's gonna go back to Roland. Now they're gonna go. Now they're gonna go. Here he goes. Roland. We got 1D. Coulombe's gonna jump on here. Coulombe's gonna keep that in. He does. We need some help here. We got no D back there. He's got to go. He's scored! There it is! Coulombe on Menard! Save big money at Menards. Save big money at Menards. Coulombe snipes it against Menard. I like to see that. That's a good snipe. Pick this pocket. What do you think about that one, Timbo?
It's 2 shots in a row that the first one by Roland almost squeaked through.
Yeah.
Did we find a little hole in it down low? Little scouting report, maybe?
Yeah. It's a good scouting report. I think we know that guy, eh? I think some guys know that guy.
I don't think that's his weak spot, though.
No.
But whatever.
Oh, great save by Baldwin there. All right, that's okay. Maybe, hey, it's his first game against his old team, so
that is very true.
He hasn't got any other starts, so this is his first start. So maybe a little shaky there. Lifted a trophy with that opposing team there this year, so maybe that could be there. A little bit of nerves there. It's okay though.
Yeah,
good for us. Good for us. All right.
Oh, jeez.
Got a bouncy. We're gonna change the whole thing here. Whole thing. All right, 2-2 hockey game here. 8:19 left in the second period. Neufeld does win that. Goes back to Levac. Levac sits down. He goes to Como. Como's got to pick that up. We got to pick that up. We got to make sure here. Oh, little banker. Little bank shot. Oh. Oh. Bouncy Buchert. Bounces over his stick. Now Neufeld's going to go. We got two. Great pass. Ooh, right in the chest. All right, there we're gonna change the whole kit and caboodle here. Change the farm. Dal's not happy about that one.
It happens.
That happens. You know what? I'm a big fan there. Coming across like that, you slide it in the middle, right on the ice. Right on the ice. I like that play. Maybe next time. Emery can't keep that in, but Coulombe comes in. Coulombe throws it down to Roland. Roland's going to chip that to himself. Great play. Shot. Saved by Menard. Puck's going to stay in. It does. Ruir back to Roland. Roland in his skate shot. Saved by Menard.
So,
Thiessen.
That's an ice.
No ice. I don't know why there's no
How
ice
is that
there.
no
Should have
ice?
been ice.
Oh, we have a. Woo. Oh,
There he goes. Here he goes.
Wheels.
He could beat him. He could beat him. All right, Reimer. Reimer's going to throw in the middle. We got a high stick. No high stick. Waved off. Schrader. Schrader's going to throw it to Emerson. And it gets chipped out. We're going to have a little change here, I believe. Change of D. Defense are going to change. Puck's going to stay inside. I like that. Good play. Como. Neufeld. Fairzy. Ginter. Radley. Come out for the Jets. Okay. Yeah, just got kicked out. No problem. Next guy comes in. They do win it. Fairzy going to come in hard there. No, Buchert. Buchert's going to try to split. Thinks twice. Goes wide. Thiessen. Good block. Good block by Como. Como tries to go. Neufeld's going to go. Neufeld's going to put on the brakes. Como's going to pick that up. Como still got it. He's going to go back to the D here. Radley still working hard here. Timbo's going to do his best to get that action for you guys. Como. Como's going to throw it in front. Neufeld. Neufeld. Fairzy. Fairzy blocked by Unger. Ebert. Ebert throws it to the middle to Unger. Unger's going to take a shot. Radley blocks that. Good block by Radley there. Oh, throws it in front. He had more time, but that's okay. Okay, Neufeld's going to get a whistle here. Going to get a little sifflet in. Defense are going to change. Forwards are going to change. Tim, what do you think? Good action?
we're playing well. We're playing well enough.
Here we go. Robidoux, big draw, wins that. Ziegler in the corner. He's going to take off.
Oh!
Levac makes it through. Almost. Great play by Levac.
Oh, stripes. Thanks,
Gets
buddy.
sprung there. He's good.
Oh, that was close.
Coulombe's going to come in on Jowett. Jowett, the best a man could get. All right, here we go. No, we're just having some fun here. We're just having some fun. It is a Gillette commercial that I was singing. All right, here we go. Locked in front. Roland's going to pick that up. Coulombe goes to the middle. Great pass to Robidoux. Robidoux's got to handle that. He's got to get a handle on that. He's got to settle down here. There it is. Roland's going to go. All right. That's okay. What are we going to do here? All right, here we go. 4:22 left. Rolling in the box for two. Maybe a phantom call. Great play by Ryan here. Good play. Good work. Neufeld working hard. Like his play today. Ryan came here. He's on a mission. Puck gets thrown out. Buchert does not touch Baldwin there. It's a good move. I like it. Vermette Ruir. They're going to come out. Vermette picks it up himself. He skates out with it. Puck gets out. Schrader throws it in. Vermette all alone. Vermette shot. Menard the save. It's a good hit. Good hit by Vermette there. I like finishes check. It's a beauty. Can't get things going here. Oh, almost picked off by Ruir. Buchert. Buchert throws it in front. All right. Everything's good. Everything's good here. Got a little change here. Ginter, Radley are going to come out. Good work by Vermette there. I like to see that. It's good work. Ruir almost picks that off. Got $1.08 left here. $1.08 left. Good job by Fairzy here. He's going to put a bit of pressure.
Nice roller. Make him think about it.
That how the intern or outturn there, Tim?
That's the Belgian bowling. I don't know if the fans at home know. Got the Belgian blood in me.
There you go. Deason's going to go first skate here. He's full tilt here. He's going to go. All right. Thiessen. Cross
These guys
ice.
love their back door.
Yeah, they love it. Fairzy's going to go for a little skate here. Fairzy got the lunch pail.
Good
Hard
job.
hat.
Slow it down. Good job.
Perfect. In front. Neufeld. Save. Menard save. Woo! Oh, baby. Great shift there. Great shift by Fairzy there. Put his coveralls on and went to work. All right, Comeau, Neufeld, Levac, Ziegler. 15 seconds left in the penalty to roll in there. 2:37 left in the second period, 2-2 tie.
Get there.
He does. Good hit. Comeau all over. He's buzzing like a bee.
Drag down.
The buster. Maybe Nalin wants to get a couple of goals there. Maybe go to McDonald's after the game. You never know. Roland to Jowett. Go through some players. Yeah, Roland, there he goes.
Oh.
He sprung. Almost sprung. He's looking for somebody there. Puck's going to come around. Zubov. He's going to go to Buchert, just like he always does. Passes it over to Buchert. Levac's got it. He's going to go up to Roland. Tries a little how's she going on Unger. Unger meets, no go. Ziegler picks it up, shot. Save. Unger saves that. Vermette.
Heads up. Oh.
I think Unger's hurt there. Unger's a little hurt. It's okay. Schrader cuts in front of his net. Good back check by the boys here. That goes wide. I'd like to see that. Roland. Nope, can't chip that. Need a chip. Robidoux takes a hard hit there from Schrader. 1:08 left in the second period. 2-2 tie. Yeah, Robidoux's hurt here. Yeah, I thought he might have a good play. Made the play, took the hit, made the play. That's how it's done. That's how you win championships right there. All right, can't let him get in our heads, Timbo? Can't let him get in our heads. .48 seconds left here. Ziegler goes to sit down for 2. Coulomb hits Reimer there. Like to see that. Puck's got to get out. It does. There we go. Yeah, good play. Scared him. He scared. He got interference. No call. Emerson's going to skate up. Show some speed. Schrader from the point. Easy save for Baldwin there. Another good shift there by Fairzy and Neufeld. G-Town connection there. I like it. 22 seconds left here. Got to get out of this period there, Timbo. Good block by Dal, eh? Mick Camo's going to put some pressure. Maybe cause him to take a
10
penalty here.
seconds.
Good kill. All right. Thiessen. You can do it.
2-1.
There you go. Dunzo.
Okay, 1 to go, all tied up.
All right, Timbo.
All the marbles in 1 period.
Yeah, everything's going to be laid on the line here. We're losing a couple of soldiers here, but that's okay. Chernaby out with an upper body injury, we're hearing. We're getting that straight from the booth upstairs there. So, yeah, there's the clock for you guys. 2-2, going into the third period, 20 minutes back on the board. And we'll see what happens here. All right, Timbo, we'll catch you in a bit here.
Yep.